Hello students, in this video we will be discussing the mechanism of decomposition reactions. Earlier we have discussed the combination reactions where we have seen that a particular two or more reactants they combine to form a particular single product. In this particular decomposition, unlike the combination reaction, it is just the opposite where a single reactant decomposes or breaks down into two or more products. So what is a decomposition reaction? A decomposition reaction is a reaction in which a single reactant decomposes into two or more products. It can be decomposed by either the application of heat or the application of light or the application of electricity. So when the decomposition occurs by the application of heat, it will be called as thermal decomposition reaction. Let us see one of the example. One or two examples we'll be discussing. Say we have FeSO4 and we have applied heat, taking it in a test tube. We will find the particular green color of FeSO4 disappears and slowly Fe2O3 brown color solid to be formed with the liberation of two gases, SO2 and SO3. So in this particular reaction, which is a thermal decomposition reaction, by the application of heat, the FeSO4 crystals they break down into Fe2O3, SO2 and SO3. Okay, so this is a kind of reaction where heat is applied so to break down a particular reactant. Let us see one more such example. Say we are taking calcium carbonate CaCO3 and we are applying heat. We will see the formation of calcium oxide with the liberation of CO2 as gas. So this is a solid, this is also a solid, and this is also a gas. So in this kind of reaction, what happens by the application of heat? This symbol is of heat. Application of heat, we can see that a particular reactant breaks down into two or more products. Okay, now let us discuss what is photolytic decomposition reaction. Photolytic decomposition reaction actually is a kind of reaction where we use light as our application so as to break down the particular reactant. Let us see what we are taking. Let us take an example like AgBr. When it is kept in sunlight for a long time, it breaks down into its constituent Ag and Br2. Okay, so this kind of reaction where we will see a particular white salt turns into gray in color, with the liberation of a gas which is bromine. It is called your photolytic decomposition reaction. Again we can see the same example AgCl. When kept in sunlight, it breaks down into Ag and Cl2 gas, same as the above. So when we are taking a particular china dish and pouring AgBr in it or AgCl and keeping it in sunlight for a longer period of time, we will see slowly the white color of these two salts turns into grey color. It happens because of the photolytic decomposition reaction that occurs, leading to the liberation of a halogen gas. Very clear? Now we will understand electrolytic decomposition reaction. What is the electrolytic decomposition reaction? To understand the electrolytic decomposition reaction, let us take a particular setup. Suppose we are taking a particular beaker where we have two electrodes which are connected to a external circuit to a battery. So this is plus, this is minus, and what we are doing, we are pouring a particular test tube which is inverted in both the sections. Okay, inverted in both the sections. So what is happening over here? First of all, we will see that we are taking water in this beaker. Okay, we are taking water in this beaker. Okay, slowly when we will take full water filled test tubes inverted in the particular electrodes, Okay, what will happen slowly, there will be a gas that will be getting formed. There will be a gas that will be getting formed. Okay, now suppose, see here, slowly the bubbles will be released and there will be a gas that will be formed. So we are taking water by the dissociation of electricity, it breaks down into hydrogen and oxygen. It breaks down into hydrogen and oxygen. But we have to balance this equation as well. What happens in this equation? So here what happens? 2 hydrogen giving 2. So here we give 2 and 2. Okay. So very clearly we will see when a particular 2 molecules of water dissociates by the application of electricity, 2 molecules of hydrogen gas are observed and 1 molecule of oxygen gas is observed. So as we will see the oxygen, here we will see the hydrogen. Now see, the volume that of liberated is double. The volume of gas that is liberated in hydrogen is double because of this particular reaction. In this reaction we can see 2 molecules of water dissociates into 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen. So the volume of hydrogen is to oxygen will be 2:1. The volume of hydrogen is to oxygen will be 2:1. So this is electrolytic dissociation reaction. It happens by the passage of electricity where the 2 electrodes releases the respective gas in their particular electrodes. We will discuss electrolysis if you have any problem later on. Okay. For this particular dissociation reaction, we have to decomposition reaction. We have to keep in mind that decomposition reaction is just the breakdown of a particular reactant into its constituents or a number of products. It can happen by 3 procedures, either by the application of heat or by the application of light or by the application of electricity. The one that happens by the heat is called thermal decomposition reaction. One that happens by light is photolytic decomposition reaction, and the one that happens by electricity is the electrolytic decomposition reaction.